All right, here we go with the Marcus Electronics video. All of this stuff that you see right here is all for sale. Everything. You got it. He got it. Period. They both do recline, but as you can see, that's in the way. These drawers pull out along with this chair right here that does recline. And then you got this centerpiece with the shelves in there and 3 drawers. So nothing is broken. It is all well. You got this humongous 8-foot mirror. Right, I'm sorry, 7-foot mirror. Then you have this ottoman and this centerpiece with the rug and the drawers that do come out on this side as well. So give a call, 903-980-1344. Call.